Welcome to Pragmatic Training. Web Applications Performance Testing with JMeter. In this video, I'll show you managing sessions using Boundary Extractor post processor. This is the continuation of another video which we created for recording test. And in that video, we created a test script using HTTPS test script recorder. And if you run this script, select the thread group and click validate, and of course we have to save, and without that also you can proceed. Click no, and if you analyze the view result tree and the responses, the response associated with the request with the post suffix 33, see the response data, and you can see in the HTML view you are still in the login. This is because you have not sent the session ID dynamically. It is hard coded, so we need to handle this dynamically. That means extract the session variable from previous response and submitted along with this request. We'll be using Boundary Value Extractor post processor. Let's see which one to select. So there are 4 requests here. Which one to be selected? So if you select this and see the and the response in the text view and search for CSRF, it's available, and there are 2 values. .505. Since you are interested with this one, and if you go to the view result tree and search for this value, and you can see it is coming from 28, 30, 32 and 33, right? So we need to pick the value from here. 30, one before this, the nearest one. By accidentally, say if you miss this view result, say if you clear out, and you can get them using this script which is saved into the bin directory of JMeter installation, and we name it recording-hrm, and if you say open, and that can be loaded again. So if you select the 30 response data and search for CSRF, and this is the value that you need to pick, right? And in the 30, you right click and click add post processor, select Boundary Extractor, and you need to give the left boundary, right boundary to get this. The name of the variable should be given. I give all in caps CSRF underscore token. Is my own and CSRF underscore not found. So it will be clearly visible if the value is not available, and you need to give the left and right boundary. So we'll move into view result tree again and say value equal, this is not sufficient because there will be many, and if you select this as the left boundary, this will be unique and it is short as well. So if you select something like this, it's longer. So but I am using a short, yet it is and to test this boundary, I use boundary extractor tester and use the left boundary here and right boundary as this, and you can see there are two, and I'm interested in value ending with 505. That means I should pick the first one. So if you go here, 501 is the value that I am interested, so I should get the first one. So let me copy this and boundary extractor, left boundary as this one, match number should be 1, not random. And here also I give boundary value extractor CSRF token, so it will be clearly visible. And the subsequent one, remove this, and to use the variable you need to $sign within the curly braces you put CSRF underscore token, and this will be handled, right? And now you can go and just validate and go to view result tree, and you can see now we have logged in. Go select the response data and click HTML, and you can see that the user is logged in now. Okay, if you go to the official documentation and the component reference and post processors, so you have many post processors where you can pick or rather extract the data from the responses. Usually post processors are applied after the samples when you receive the response. There are a number of post processors available, regular expression extractor, but I found that boundary value extractor seems to be very easy for the beginner. And so this is the one we have used in this video. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll discuss some more in the next video.